Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to send Robux to your friends on Roblox. So first things first, to send Robux to your friend on Roblox is that your friend need to go to roblox.com and sign in your account. And then your friend is going to want to go to create, and they're going to want to go here, and they want to click dashboard and top left corner. And once they go here, they're going to want to go to their creation. So their usernames place, everybody should have their usernames place right here. You want to go ahead and click on that. And once they go here on the sidebar, there should be all these options right here. They want to scroll all the way down to monetization right here. And then they want to click on passes. Once it passes, they're going to want to go ahead and create a pass reel. So just click create pass. This is completely free, so you don't have to do anything for it. So they can name it whatever you want. Then they can put a description if they want. They don't need to though. Then click create pass. Now once they do that, they should have a pass made right here. And once they have that, they want to click on the pass, and then they want to put it on sale by going to sales in the top left and then turning on item for sale and listing the price in Robux. Once you do that, they could go ahead and click save changes, and they go back to the passes, and then once they're here, they want to go ahead and click on these three dots right here, and they want to open in a new tab. So if they open it in a new tab, it should bring them here. As you can see the pass and everything, and they're going to want to go ahead and copy this link at the top right here and send it to you, whether it's through email or message or whatever. It doesn't really matter, just they have to send this link to you. But once you get it, I'll switch over to my other one right here. Once you get it, you are going to want to paste it into this bar right here. So it will bring it up right here, and here you will be able to buy the Robux and send them Robux. Now keep in mind that Roblox will take 30% of the cut, so they would only get 70% or 70 Robux instead of 100. But that is the best way you can send Robux to your friend on Roblox. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.